Hello everyone, welcome to Classroom Practices. Today we are going to round off the numbers to nearest thousand, but we are going to use the trick. Yes, we are going to do it in a very quick way. Okay, so let's start. You can go in my previous videos and there you can see that how to round off the numbers to nearest 10 and nearest 100. Okay, today we are going to use the trick and we are going to round off the numbers very easily. Okay, let's start. So let me take my first number, that is 2529. So this number I have taken. Okay, this is 4-digit number. So as we have to round off to nearest thousand, what we have to do first? Our first step, I am going to tell you 3-4 steps. Find the place. But which place? Nearest thousand. Okay, so we are going to find the thousands place. So let's see, ones, tens, 100, 1000. So what is our thousands place? Yes, it is 2. जी हाँ, ये 2 है. Now, what is our next step? Go to next door. Yes, go to your right. Who is at the next door? Yes, it is 100 place. 100 place pe which digit is there? It is 5. Now what you have to do in second step? Circle it. Yes, we have circled it. Now अब ये नंबर जो राउंड ऑफ होगा, जो भी चेंजेस होंगे वो कहाँ पे होंगे? thousands place पे होंगे. But who is going to decide? Which place is going to decide? So that is 100 place. It means 5. Now our third step is comparing, right? How to compare and with whom we are going to compare? By which number we are going to compare? Yes, we are going to always compare with 5. So 5 compared with 5. Yes, you all are right. Yeah, that is equal to. 5 is equal to 5. So what we are going to do, if you remember that rule कि you have to compare with 5. अगर 5 हो या फिर 5 से अधिक हो, if it is 5 or greater than 5, then we are going to change the thousands place. But क्या change करेंगे? Thousands place का score यानी digit एक बढ़ा देंगे. We will increase it by 1. Means +1 यानी 2 and 1 कितना हो गया? 3. Okay, and बाकी के जो next door वाले places है उनमें हम 0 0 लगा देंगे. So let's see how to do. This will be increased. 2 will be increased by 1. So it will become 3 and बाकी के places में हम क्या लगाएंगे? 0. Yes. So the number 2529 will round off to 3000. Okay, let me take another number to explain you. I have taken 4 questions A, B, C, D. Okay, so I am going to explain you with the trick how to round off the numbers. So what is our first step? Find, right? Find the place. Which place? As we are going to round off to nearest thousand, so we are going to find the thousands place. Okay, so सबसे पहले हम सब में अपना एक thousands place को underline कर लेते हैं. Okay, now we are going to see for the next step. What is the next step? Go to next door, right? We have underlined the thousands place. Now go to the next door and circle it. Which is our next door? So that is, let me explain you, ones, tens, 100, 1000. So who is at the next door to 1000? Yes, it is 100. So circle it. Let me circle. सब में circle कर लेते हैं. Okay. Now just compare. Third step is let's compare. How to compare and with which number we are going to compare? So we are going to compare the 100 place digit with 5. All the, you can see whatever digit is at 100 place, we are going to compare it with 5. So let's see. 1 will be compared with 5. So 1 is lesser than 5 or greater than 5? Yes, you are absolutely right. It is lesser than 5. So as to compare the 100th place digit with the 5. Okay, we are going to only compare with 5. So 5 हो या 5 से अधिक हो, right? If it is 5 or greater than 5, then we are going to increase the place digit by 1. But कौन से place का digit हम बढ़ाएंगे? एक उसमें बढ़ाएंगे, that is thousands place. ठीक है? So let's see. As you can see, 1 is lesser than 5, then there will be no change. क्यों? According to the rule, अगर 5 से कम है, then we are not going to do any changes. But अगर 5 है and it is greater than 5, if the digit is 5 or greater than 5, then we are going to increase the thousands place digit by 1. तो यहाँ पे कोई change नहीं होगा, तो simply ये 5 as it is उतर जाएगा और बाकी के places पे we will put 0. So this number will round off to 5000. Okay. So children, now see the next question, that is 6290. How we are going to round off this number and किस number पे ये round off होगा, किस thousand पे ये round off होगा. So let's see this. As according to the steps we have underlined, find the place, that is thousands place we have underlined. Go to next door, we have gone on 100 place, that is 2, and we have circled it. Now our third step, comparing, right? We have to compare the 100 place digit with 5. Yes, let's compare with 5. So you can see that 2 is smaller than 5 or greater than 5. Yes, it is smaller than 5. Okay, तो मैंने क्या बताया था कि 5 हो या 5 से अधिक हो, then we are going to increase the thousands place by 1. But अगर 5 से कम है, okay, तो हम इंक्रीज नहीं करेंगे, कोई चेंज नहीं करेंगे, उसको वैसे ही छोड़ देंगे. सो इट विल बी 6 एज इट इज. ओके, एंड बाकी जो प्लेसेस हैं उनके जगह में हम लोग क्या लगा देंगे? 0. सो दिस नंबर 6290 will round off to 6000. Okay, the same way you can see question number C. Okay, 4895. Now how to round off this number? According to the steps, find the place, which is the place 4. Okay, why? Because we have to round off to nearest thousand. So let's see, ones, tens, 100,000. ठीक है, so thousands place को हमने underline कर लिया. Now go to the next door, go to your right. ठीक है, जिस place को हमने underline किया उसी के just right वाले को circle it, that is 8. Now यही जो आपने circle किया, 100 place will only decide कि कोई भी चेंज आपका thousands place पे होगा या नहीं होगा. ओके, सो 8 से लेट अस कंपेयर. बट 8 से किसको कंपेयर करेंगे? 5 को. हमेशा 5 से ही नंबर को कंपेयर करेंगे. सो 5 मैंने क्या बताया था? 5 हो या फिर 5 से अधिक हो, देन हम चेंज करेंगे. ओके, सो यहाँ पे 5 नहीं है बल्कि 5 से अधिक है, विच इज 8. राइट, तो 8 है तो हम क्या करेंगे? It is greater than 5, so we will increase thousands place by 1. Okay, so thousands place पे एक बढ़ा देंगे, so क्या हो जाएगा? 4 and 1 5. और बाकी के जो next door वाले places है उन पे हम क्या कर देंगे? 0 लगा देंगे. So 4895 will round off to 5000. Okay, now this is the last question. I hope इन तीनों क्वेश्चंस को करने के बाद you are able to do question number D. Let's see how much you have done correctly. Okay, let's see. The number is 3981. Okay, now पहला स्टेप हमारा क्या था? Underline the thousands place. Okay, thousands place को हमने underline किया. Now go to next door. What is next door? 9. Okay, now 9 को हम किससे कंपेयर करेंगे? 5 से. So 9 will be compared with 5. So that is 9 is greater than 5. तो मैं according to the rule 5 हो या 5 से greater अगर होगा तो हम thousands place को 1 में 1 बढ़ा देंगे. We will increase its score. We will raise its score by 1. तो 3 में हम क्या कर देंगे? +1 कर देंगे, यानी वो बन गया 4. एंड बाकी के जो नेक्स्ट डोर वाले प्लेसेस है, हम व्हाट वी विल डू? वी विल पुट 0 0 0. सो 3981 विल राउंड ऑफ टू 4000. Okay, so in this way, this is the trick. हियर वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू सी कि ये जो नंबर्स है वो किन दो थाउजेंड्स के बीच में होगा। लाइक मैंने प्रीवियस वीडियोस में आपको बताया था कि अगर कोई नंबर है तो वो किन दो टेंसेस के बीच में है, अगर वो कोई भी नंबर है वो किन दो हंड्रेड्स के बीच में है। वो सारी जो ट्रेडिशनल मेथड छोड़ करके वी कैन यूज दिस ट्रिक टू फाइंड आउट दैट ये नंबर किस 100 पे या किस 10 पे या किस 1000 पे राउंड ऑफ होगा। आई होप इट इज क्लियर टू यू। व्हेन यू आर गोइंग टू सॉल्व मोर क्वेश्चंस यू आर गोइंग टू बी वेरी क्लियर एंड आपको ये ट्रिक बहुत ही ईजी लगेगी। थैंक यू। जय हिंद।